You wake up, and before your feet even touch the ground, you reach for your phone. Just 5 minutes, right? But 5 turns into 20. 20 turns into an hour. And somehow, you're already tired. Not from work, not from effort, but from doing nothing. This isn't laziness. You've been trained. Welcome to Growth Edge, where we expose the habits silently holding you back and show you how to take your life back. If you're ready to stop feeling stuck and actually start growing, make sure you subscribe, because what you're about to hear might change how you see your entire life. Let's be honest. You don't have a motivation problem. You have an escape problem. Every time something feels hard, your brain looks for something easy. So you scroll, you tap, you refresh. Again, and again, and again. Not because you want to, but because it feels good. For a moment, a quick hit, a small reward, a tiny escape from reality. And before you realize it, that moment becomes your lifestyle. You tell yourself, I'll start later. I just need a break. One more video, but later never comes. You sit down to work, but your mind is restless. You try to focus, but it feels uncomfortable. Silence feels heavy. Effort feels painful. So you go back to what's easy, to what's fast, to what feels good instantly. And slowly, you lose your ability to do hard things. This is called instant gratification, choosing short-term pleasure over long-term growth. And your brain? It loves it because it requires no effort, no patience, no discomfort. But here's the cost no one talks about. Every time you choose easy, you make hard things feel harder. Every time you avoid discomfort, you become weaker to it. And over time, you don't just lose discipline, you lose control. This is how it ruins your life quietly. You start things, but never finish. You have goals, but no consistency. You feel busy, but achieve nothing. Your focus gets weaker. Your patience disappears. Your confidence drops.
And the worst part? You start believing, this is just who I am. But it's not. You weren't born this way. You were trained, conditioned, rewired. And here's the truth most people avoid. The life you want is on the other side of discomfort. Not motivation, not hacks, not shortcuts. Discomfort, the ability to sit down and do something even when you don't feel like it. That's the skill you lost. But it's also the one you can rebuild. You don't fix this by doing something extreme. You fix it by doing something small, consistently. Start here. Delay the urge. When you feel like grabbing your phone, wait 10 minutes, just 10. You're training your brain to not react instantly. Remove easy triggers. If it's always in your hand, you'll always use it. Create distance. Make distractions harder to reach. Do hard things first. Not later, not when you feel ready. First, because the longer you wait, the weaker your discipline becomes. And most importantly, get comfortable being uncomfortable. Sit in silence. Work without music sometimes. Focus without stimulation. It will feel boring at first. That's how you know it's working. Right now, you have 2 choices. Stay where you are, controlled by quick pleasure, living the same day over and over again, or step into discomfort and take your life back. Slowly, daily, intentionally, because growth doesn't come from what feels good. It comes from what challenges you. This is your edge, your growth edge. And if you're ready to live differently, not just think differently. Don't forget to give me a like if you liked the video, and also share to the one who needs this. And the most important thing, subscribe for more thoughtful content like this. Also feel free to comment anything on your mind, because this is just the beginning.